Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. What's happened? You guys all better be very excited. Up to way too early this morning trying to get all this information out to you guys. Myself, Marty, Julie, and Robin, we spend many a nights till 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. We are fired up because today is a very, very, very big day. Oh, hold on. I'm now. Anyway, that's Corinne texted me. I don't see you. Corinne, I do everything on Facebook. Let me tell you what's happening today. Big, huge updates. At 3 o'clock with Ash Mafara. The Q&A has been, not canceled, just moved over a little bit. Because Ash is going to give us some great updates. Very important updates. Very important that you should get there. Yes, I'm excited. We stayed up pretty late last night trying to get everyone's attention and get them to the Zoom. It's a private founders only webinar. So it's not going to be live streamed. It's just going to be on a Zoom. 20,000 max, so make sure you get on it. I do want to say a huge shout out to Ash Mafara because he said last week that he'd be doing this on Monday or Tuesday, and he chose today, and I'm glad. What a great way to start off the week. All right, let me say hi to a few people because I'm always losing. David Switzer's in the house. David, listen to me. We got you, brother. We got you. Patty McGuigan's in the house. The postmaster man, I'm going to call him. Ivana Poole, how you doing? Bill Must. What's happening, my brother Bill? Robert Tantillo, Dale Cruz. I said you, Pat Parents in the house. Majuno Chapin, how you doing? MJ Cruel. Man, I'm horrible in the morning with names. Avik, don't get mad at me because I say your name wrong. I'm horrible at it. Casey, how you doing? Lister T's in the house. Tanya Onpassive, the lady who corrects me every time I mess up, and that's quite a bit lately. Guys, so today's 3 o'clock, because I'm used to 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock, Ash Mafara is going to get on there. It's very important that you listen to what he's got to say, okay? The man has been burning up the candle again for the last 9 days straight. I'm hoping he looks revived. I know the last time we seen him, he's tired. Why is he tired? Because he don't stop. You got to say, Ash, go take a nap. Go take a snoozy, man. And he don't believe in it. He wants to get things done. He's got so much cooking right now. All right, his stove is full. Every pot's boiling. Every pan is sizzling. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, real quick, I want to say something about Oh Bless. Not sure who I'm going to have on there Tuesday, but last Thursday, we had a special guest on there. And I know I said that for founders, we'll be, on that day, I want you to bring your ideas to the table. I'm not going to apologize. A lot of people were mad. When I have someone special like Mark who came on there, I want you to hear him talk. So be patient. I don't know how many times that's going to happen, but if it does, I'm going to bring those people on because you need to hear what they got to say. Remarkable dude. And Gene brought him on here. It was pretty amazing. But let's get back to 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Ash Mafara is coming on strong. He's going to sing us a song. I don't know if he's going to sing, but I feel like singing. But guys, get there at 3 o'clock. What else is going on today? Who cares? Who cares what's going on today? 3 o'clock is what's important. 3 o'clock is what's important. Ash Mafara dropping some things on us, giving us updates like you wouldn't believe. Do I know? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But it'll be fun. I promise you that. Zoom. It's going to be Zoom. Don't forget the Zoom. What else is going on? P&G the other day. Hold on, Chris. I know. I'm thinking. P&G the other day. We did an Oh Bless thing on there. All right. Pretty amazing stuff there. I want you to watch that recording. P&G is doing everything right as far as setting up their Oh Bless projects with lawyers, learning the laws, the regulations, because every country, every state has different rules and regulations on how to do things, especially through Bless. So watch that, learn from it. I don't have all the answers yet. All I'm trying to do is get every single solution and idea out there. Ash watches these and he gets, he thinks. But you got to remember, you can't make snap decisions. We do have two big manufacturers right now that we already lined up for the last couple weeks, which is very exciting. And I do know that those two companies are talking. Big goal of mine. Get them talking. Get them ready. Push the button. But guess what? Guess what? The most important thing? 3 o'clock! 3 o'clock, Ash Mafara is going to be on there. And I believe Julie will be doing a live sometime after me or just before the 3 o'clock. So pay attention for when Julie comes on there. She'll have something exciting to say. Red Redfern did a quick live today because he's jumped out of plane. Hopefully Red jumps in after his plane lands. Wishing him and Jane a safe flight. Marty DeGarmo just did a crazy live, which he had, oh my God, he had all kind of people on there. He had over 200 people. And that's a lot of people. He's calling everyone's name out, which we loved it. We love doing that. But if we missed you, we do apologize. Let's see. There's Julie Wen. What's she saying? TikTok. Wait. TikTok, talk. Oh, I lost it, Julie. John White's in the house. Gene's in the house. What's happening, Gene? Tiana from Hawaii. Woo! Where's everyone from? We got people from all over the world. I know Patty's in here from the UK. Karina Lance, you found me. Always Facebook Live, and then Bill puts them on a YouTube. Bill Musk shared some pretty cool videos from the last 2 days. Robin Noble, Daryl Cook, phenomenal education about Academy. Academy. Oh my God. You guys, it just keeps getting better. Keep sharing, guys, because pretty soon the founder's position is going to be done. Are we going to hear that today? You might. I don't know, but you better get out there sharing. Hey, anyone who wants to share this video, trust me on this. Get back to that person that shared this video, all right, and ask them about Onpassive, and you can get on this humongous updates today, and I guarantee you'll be blown away. Change your life, all right? Working 40, 50, 60 hours a week sucks. It sucks. Even if you like it, it sucks because you got to go somewhere every single... Mr. Alarm Clock, ring, 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 ring. Ooh, throw it in the garbage. You don't want to hear an alarm clock the rest of your life. Turn it off. 30 years, 40 years is a very long time to do the same thing over and over. When, as a founder, you could wake up my God, you could take naps. Well, I wish I could, but you could take naps with Onpassive. You know why? Because they're going to be working for you. Non-stop, bingity, bangity, boomy. Worldwide global marketing every second, 7 days a week. 360. Christmas morning, Onpassive will be working for you. Don't you forget that. All right. Let me say hi real quick. I do want to do a shout-out prayers for my sister, my beautiful sister, Christina Dodds. I can't remember if it was her grandson or nephew. I apologize. Something bad happened to him. Asking for prayers for his recovery. I don't want to discuss what, but shoot out a lot of prayers for Christina Dodds and her family. Not always good. We're always praying for you here in Onpassive. We love to pray. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday. Boy, you won't forget this birthday if it's your birthday. Mafoose, what was up with that orange beard? And by the way, Rupa Paul and Mafoose, right after we posted out the what's going on today, they jumped on and did a live. Crazy, I love it. But Mafoose, you had I don't know if it was the camera, it looked like your beard was orange. You had some orange highlights in your... I liked it. I don't know why, but I liked it. It was funny. Rupa Paul, getting on for India, bang, bang, boom, shouting out to the world. I think in 15 minutes, between the hours of, 2:30 to 5 in the morning, The post that we put out through all your help went viral. Within an hour, millions of people have seen this everywhere. Okay, I mean, you guys were phenomenal in helping us out with that. I do appreciate it. All right, let me go through this one more time. Lynn Nakamoto is in the house. What's happening, Lynn? Bossini, how you doing? Oh, it's jumping like crazy. Fat Mata, mwah! You know I love you. John White is in the house. John, I want my china cabinet back. I got all these china dishes I don't know what to do with now. Rosa Virga, what's happening? Ooh, I'm jumping all over the place. I don't want to miss anybody. Herberto, what's happening, brother Herberto? Woo! Gemma, what's happening? Lystra T's beautiful sister. MD, a lot of MD. Jakuro, what's happening? It's just moving too fast. Mafus, I really need to know about that beard. David Switzer, you're back in the house. Karina Lance, I got you. Yeah, Karina, I only do my lives on Facebook, and then Bill Must will put them on my YouTube channel and his YouTube channel. So support Bill Must. He made some great videos. Robin, Daryl. Daryl Cook did an excellent, first time, real fast presentation about educators and what they do. That is posted in the updates, because, you know, we try to put very, very important things in the update section. That was very important because Daryl Cook, Janet Butler, they did a phenomenal job. My hat's off to you. Woo! Because it was something brand new, and they're spreading the love through the educational people, the teachers, the educators, and absolutely love it. So go check that out, guys. Share it. Guys, we do this to help you build your teams. Share it out. We do this to help you change people's lives. If you're shy, you can use my big mouth, but we also have thousands of videos that you can send to people. All right, I'm talking way too much here. Let me see if I missed anybody real quick. Oh, Mafus with that orange beard. I don't know. You look like a funny leprechaun. Azar Khan, what's happening? Fahir, what's happening? Mafus from Bangladesh. What up, my Bangladesh peeps? How you doing? Woo, hey, hey, hey. Yeah, I'm a little crazy today, but that's okay. That's what I do. I love showing excitement, and that's my job. And remember what I say, if you ain't excited, I'll be knocking on your door to get you fired up. That's what we're going to do. All right, what else we got going here? Shohidi Hole, Sabu, how you doing? Woo! What did Gene say? I'm putting Chris's China cabinet on Facebook Marketplace. No, we're going to put it on the Onpassive Marketplace, Gene. Avik, how you doing? Rakash, what's happening? All right, I got to get going because I'm too fired up. And yes, oh, this is the funniest part. I'm in my underwear. I'm building a multi-billion-dollar business in my underwear. Where else can you do that? Ooh, no, I'm not standing up. You know, my Fred Flintstone underwears, they look kind of funny. But I gotta love them. Bam, bam. Woo, guys. Get crazy. Share this out. Let's get people to Onpassive. Let's change their lives. You can do this. You can tell yourself. Right now, say, self, I can do this. Get this out. Don't be afraid, because guess what? Many things are coming. Many things are coming your way, and you're going to be, woo, blown away. Look at that head. Wow, man, do I need another haircut? I guess so. A lot of gray hairs. Why do I have gray hairs? Because I don't want to sleep. I want to keep telling people about Onpassive. All right, I got to get going. It is 12:45 now, so we have a couple hours before the big show. When is it? 3 o'clock. Check the back office for the link. Do not share it. Do not share it, because we don't want those negative YouTubers, which they're going to do anyway. Why? I never understood that. Why, when you have something this positive, people come in with their negativity and they twist it around? If you want to know the truth, all your negative YouTuber followers, call me and ask me. I'll tell you the truth. But all the stuff you guys say is not even close to the truth. All right. We love every one of you. Get going. Get ready. Put your eyeliner on. Put your makeup on. look pretty, feel good about yourself, because you're a founder. Don't you ever forget that. All right, I gotta go. Ash Mafara, it's coming. We'll see y'all later. Ciao.